Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Almighty Allah, who is the most beneficent, most merciful, most gracious, and the source of all knowledge. My name is Engineer Zainul Abidin, and I'm going to teach the maths of grade 6. In our today's lecture, we will discuss about multiplication of fractions and division of fractions. Okay. In our previous lecture, we have seen if a term is written in the form of 5/9, okay, then it is termed as the fraction, and this 5 is known as the numerator of the fraction and 9 is known as the denominator of the fraction. Also, I have told you there is one more form of fraction, 4 and 5/9. This form is actually known as mixed form of fraction. Okay. So if you want to dissolve the mixed form of fraction, first of all we will multiply this 9 by this 4. Okay, 9 4s are 36. After getting 36, we will add this 5 in 36, which will be equal to 41/9. Also, I have told you when you are dealing with the mixed form of fraction, only numerator will be affected, denominator always remains the same. Okay. In our last lecture, we have also seen we can also cancel out in the fraction. Suppose if we are given with 8/2, then I have told you we can cut it down like this. We can cut from downward to upward, as well as from upward to downward direction. Okay, for example, we can cut it down to 1s are and 2 4s are 8. 4 will be our answer. Suppose there is one more example. We are given with 8/10. Okay, as you can see, 10 can be divided by 2 and 8 can be divided by 2. Therefore, we can cut it down by 2. 2 5s are 10 or 2 4s are 8. So 4/5 will be our answer. Okay, our today's lecture, multiplication of fractions, is related to this thing. Okay, we can cut the different kinds of fraction. Suppose I have written a question here. We are given with 8/4 multiplied by 12/10. As you can see, these are two different fractions and we want to dissolve these fractions. So first of all, what will we do? I would like to share you how we can cut in this fraction. You can cut these opposite sides. Okay, you can cut these opposite sides, and you can cut from upward direction, and you can cut from downward direction. Okay, you cannot cut this 8 by this 12 or this 4 by this 10. Okay, 8/4 into 12/10. Okay, first of all, we will cut it like this. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Okay, 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. So we are left with 4/1 multiplied by 3/5. As you can see, now we cannot cut anymore in these fractions, so we will multiply simply. We will simply multiply this 4 by this 3 and this 1 by this 5. Okay, in other words, you can say we will multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So it will become 4 multiplied by 3/1 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 12/5, which is our answer. Okay, so this is the multiplication of two different fractions. Okay, now if you want to solve or dissolve the division of two fractions, so first of all, when you are dealing with the division, okay, in division sign of fractions, we will first convert this division sign into the multiplication. Suppose we are given with these fractions 15/4 divided by 5/2. Okay, we want to solve it. So first of all, we will convert this symbol of division into the multiplication. 15/4. So I have converted it in multiplication. When you have replaced the symbol of division by the symbol of multiplication, you will have to reciprocate this fraction. Okay, you have to change the denominator and numerator. You have to change the position of denominator and numerator. Suppose first we are given with 5/2. Now we will write it down like this, 2/5. This is only for the case of division. Okay, the last fraction will be changed. if we are dealing with the division. 15 over 4, and when we convert this division into multiplication, it will become 2 over 5. After this we will cut it down. One more thing, it is very necessary, we can cut the fraction only in this manner when there is a symbol of multiplication. When there is a symbol of division, you cannot cut the fractions. Okay, if there is a single fraction, suppose 8 over 4, this is a single fraction, none of the symbol is placed, like division or the multiplication is not placed with this fraction, we can cut it down easily. But if you are given more than one fractions and there is a symbol of division in them, so first of all we will convert this division into the multiplication by reciprocating the last part fraction, or you can say by changing the numerator to denominator and denominator to the numerator, we will cut it down. Now 5 ones are 5 and 5 threes are 15, 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4, so we are left with 3 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 1. After this, I have told you we will multiply the upper side with upper side and the lower side with lower side. 3 multiplied by 1 and 2 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 3 over 2. Okay, also it is clear to you. So let's move now towards the question of exercise. In our today's question, we will deal with the question number 3 and question number 5.